Welcome to Hi Channel. Today, please go with us to the charming railway city of St. Thomas, where a gentle giant from the past still watches over the town, and where history rises above the streets in a truly unique way. Standing proudly along Talbot Street, the towering statue of Jumbo the Elephant Monument captures both awe and emotion. As the camera slowly circles this massive figure, you can almost feel the echoes of a bygone era, when circus trains rolled through town and crowds gathered in wonder. The sunlight glows across Jumbo's sculpted form, while the quiet surroundings tell a story not just of fame, but of tragedy, memory, and legacy. The monument exists because of one unforgettable moment in history. Jumbo was one of the most famous elephants in the world during the 19th century, performing with P.T. Barnum's circus. In 1885, while traveling through St. Thomas, Jumbo was tragically struck and killed by a locomotive. His death shocked the world and forever linked the town to his legacy. To honor him, the city built a life-size statue in 1985, marking 100 years since the event. Today, Jumbo is more than a monument. He's a symbol of the city's railway history and a reminder of how even a passing moment can leave a lasting mark. Just steps away, the journey continues upward, onto the remarkable St. Thomas Elevated Park. Suspended above the ground on a former railway bridge, this peaceful walkway invites you to stroll through history itself. As you walk along the elevated path, panoramic views unfold. Trees, rooftops, and railway lines stretching into the distance, reminding you that this city was once a beating heart of Canada's railway network. The blend of nature, art, and heritage creates a quiet, reflective atmosphere where every step feels like a walk between past and present. The St. Thomas Elevated Park is known as Canada's first and only elevated park, created from a former railway bridge. As St. Thomas grew into the railway capital of Canada, dozens of rail lines crossed the city. When some of these rail corridors were no longer in use, the community transformed one into a public space, turning industrial history into a scenic urban escape. Today, the elevated park stands as a tribute to the city's railway heritage, a creative reuse of historic infrastructure, and a peaceful walkway offering unique elevated views. It's a perfect example of how a city can preserve its past while creating something new and inspiring for the future. From the story of a legendary elephant to a park that lifts you above history, St. Thomas offers a journey that is both touching and unforgettable, where every landmark tells a story and every step reveals a deeper connection to the past.